Hi everybody, I'm going to do a cooking video for you here, and I am making hot wings. This is my favorite recipe. So I have taken a whole bag of chicken wings and boiled them. They are done. Boil them until they no longer bleed. Then you take a bottle of Wishbone, you can see that backwards, Wishbone Russian salad dressing. Now Wishbone is the only brand that makes Russian salad dressing. It's the red kind, as you can tell. And I poured the whole bottle in this pan on like 5 or 6 on my stove here to let it heat up. Then I took a jar of apricot jelly. I know everything's reading backwards, so I used a full jar. Now it depends on how sweet you like it, but if you're using this full bottle, then you're probably going to use the full bottle of apricot jelly. This is, it says 10 ounce. So anyways, I put those in there, and you're going to cook them on the stove, simmer them until the apricot jelly totally melts. Then take and use like a tablespoon of red pepper flakes, chopped red pepper flakes, sprinkle it in. This gives it a good bite. Now that's probably enough. This is a lot. And you cook those completely together until they are totally dissolved. Give those red pepper flakes a chance to heat up your mixture there. Now that everything is dissolved, take and get you a baking pan and have your oven heating. You're gonna broil this. You can bake it, but it's better, it'll get crispier if you broil it. Now, usually I would take probably a bowl and put all of this sauce and the wings together, but for the sake of saving dishes, I'm going to put all the way chicken in here and mix it up. And I have lined a pan here with foil and then coated it in avocado oil. You can use just about any kind of oil as long as it's not a low heat oil like olive oil, because then it might flip to a trans fat. But anyways, take all of your chicken and put it in the pan, mix it up, thoroughly coat it. Okay, a couple more pieces here. Now, thoroughly coat your pan. This is where putting it in the bowl and just tossing it around kind of saves you time. Now as they are thoroughly coated, don't drip them everywhere like I just did. Do as I say, don't do as I do. Thoroughly coat them really good. And then after you're done putting them all in the pan, I would probably pour some more over it. Maybe save some for while it's cooking a little bit, getting crispy. Because it's really, really good when it's kind of coated on really good and thick. Good stuff. This recipe also is really, really good. I call it kind of a sweet and sour chicken. You can take this sauce mixture and dice up chicken breast and cook it in it. And then add, once the chicken is cooked, add diced up bigger chunks of bell peppers, all different colors, chopped up onions and pineapple if you like, and cook it all in this pan just until the peppers and everything, bell peppers, start to become a bright green and they're still slightly crispy. And then serve it over rice. That is one of my favorite recipes. My kids love it too. Everybody that's had it loved it. And as for these wings, everybody that has ate these wings has said, oh my gosh, this is the bomb. You could sell this stuff. So I'm thoroughly coating these things, almost done. And then I'm going to put them in the oven on broil. Okay, now turn off my heat here. And grab me a pot holder, but look at those wings. Pop them in the oven. Got something else in the oven too. I'm going to lower that down. A different rack. Pop them in the oven on broil. And there you have it. When they are starting to get crispy and crunchy around the edges, you might want to coat it up, add a little bit more to it, so that way it keeps getting crispier and crispier, and turn them over. These make the best wings. So that's all there is to it. Russian salad, wishbone Russian salad dressing, apricot jelly, and red pepper flakes. Bomb.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a try.